I'm going to show you my first HTML page that will be represented by me, that's Swati Madhuri. HTML and its tag. Now within these slides we are going to see what is first HTML, what are its main tags, and how to create a first web page in HTML. HTML is nothing, or HTML is stand for Hypertext Markup Language. That is stand for Hypertext Markup Language, that is stand for your HTML. HTML is a computer language that is client side, which will be say to the browser, a web browser, to how to represent the documents. This HTML will be helps you to represent how the documents will be displayed on your web browser. HTML is the building block for the web pages. Through this we are going to create a different kinds of web pages. An HTML file is a text file that contains a small markup tags. There are number of markup tags are there, and that all the tags that we can put it in a single text file, and that will be create your HTML code. HTML markup tags, that is a web browser and how to display these pages. An HTML file must be saved with the HTML and as a HTML or HTML extension. HTML tags. HTML tags is basically the element of HTMLs. HTML tags is nothing but it is an element of HTML, that's we can call it as an your tags. The name of these tags hints that is a tag designed for. Usually these tags are paired within a open and closing tags. Usually you can create, when you place or you can declare the syntax for your tags, it should be always two tags, that is first one opening and second for the closing. Between these tags we can place the text usually, and that tags will be running within your HTML code. So the result can be seen by the browser, that whatever we can put inside the opening and closing tags, that will be displayed in your web browser, what we are going to design for your web page. Now HTML tags are command written within your less than and your greater than sign, and this is also called as an angle bracket, that will be indicate how browser should be displayed the text. Now they are giving here a simple syntax to call the text. We already say that we having two kinds of tags, that is opening tag and closing tag. So here they are giving a proper syntax that you can understand what is the tags. This is called a opening tag, that will be written in the angle bracket greater than or less than. In between this we have to write down name of our tag. And closing tag will contains this slash before the name of your tags in your angle brackets. And in between this opening and closing tags we can put the text that is you want to display within that tags. Here they are giving one example. Within that we want to display the text in the bold format. So we are giving here B is my tag, this is my opening tag, this is my closing tag, and the vacation is the text that I want to place inside a opening and closing tag. So when I run this code and run this script, it will be display my normal text within a bold format, because I'm return this text in between this opening and closing tags within your HTML. So in this way we can put our tags in your HTML file with the opening and your closing tag. So we'll get this kind of output. Now we will going to see the basic tags that always has to be there within my file. The first and the main tag is my HTML tag. This HTML tag has to be there written within my text file, so that it can be displayed. This tag is begins and the end of your HTML documents and your HTML. So I already told you every tag is having opening tag and your closing tag. So this is my opening tag for the HTML and closing. At the starting of my file, I am return this HTML. At the ending of my file, I will return this closing of your tags. Between these tags, both the main part of your HTML tags will be written. Now your HTML file will contain two main tags inside my HTML file. First one, that is my head. Head tag is just a begin after the first page of your HTML. You have to always write whatever text header. Normally for every page we are giving the headers. So here for HTML we are putting the head. It is just for the display purpose that we can place just after the HTML tag. Then inside to my head tag, we have to specify the proper name or header title, so that we are going to call the title tag. The title tag is the tag we can place in between the head opening and closing head tag. Inside to this we have to put our title tag. And the main tag, one more main tag, that is my body tag, that also we have to place inside to my HTML tag. This head tag and this body tag is the two main tags that we have to always place inside to my HTML tag. Now this body tag is the tag that will be text. The text between the body tags is the text that we always display on your browser. So whatever we can put inside, we want to display on your browser, that we have to put within my body tag. And it contains several kinds of attributes and which will be determined by the different kinds of HTML pages. And it contains a different kinds of tags we can insert inside to my body tag. So this is my main tag, HTML tag, and this is my closing HTML. Within this we contains a head tag and my body tag. Within head we are just going to add your title tag, and within body there are lots of tags we having that we can display within my body tag. So this is a normal declaration that will be represented by your basic tags. Now I am going to show you how the structure of my page, first page of my HTML. This is my first HTML document. So normally when I start my file, so I will return first HTML and my closing HTML tag. Inside to this, I told you there are two subtypes of your HTML tag we having, that is your first opening and closing head tag and your opening and closing body tag. So inside to HTML I am going to add a head tag and my closing head tag, then body tag and my closing body tag. Now within my head tag I want to display the title for my page, so I am going to add a tag, that is your title tag, and that will be coming within your closing tag. That is your every tag that will be coming has to be always there a closing tag. And I want to display my first page as the name of my page. So this is my page I am going to display. Now body tag, and here I am going to close my head tag. Now within body I want to display one text in the bold format, that is my first HTML page. So I am written that bold tag we are giving here B as an opening tag and B as an your closing tag, and in between this we are written the text. Now always remember the tag which will be coming first has to be closed last, and the tag will be coming last has to be closed first. Just like here we are displaying here HTML is coming first, so it has to be closed last. Here head is coming, but inside to head is always there before the body of your tag, so we have to close that here within your head. In between this we have to close your head. Now in my head there will be a title, but before that we are placing title after the head tag, but has to be closed before the head close, otherwise it will not display the header to my file. Just like you can see also here within my body tag I am return the body tag, after that we are return the B tag, but first we have to close this body bold tag, then we have to close the body tag. Once the come last has to be closed first, the come first has to be closed last. This is the normal representation that you can do for your HTML file. So how to write a first program? This text you can open for the notepad file, write a HTML code, the same code that we have written that we can place within that notepad file. We can save that file with .html or .htm extension. After that we can double click on save file or right click on the file to select open with the option, and within that we can select an appropriate browser to open the page. So in this way you can open your page.